Check it out, guys. I know I post a lot of garbage, especially lately, but who cares? Check this out. North Dakota QSO party. Okay, that's one thing going for it. North Dakota, man. Hard to find them. Got to pounce on them when you do. Second thing going for her. Her. It's a YL. I worked her on the first call, and we had us a nice little fun, laughing chat, you know? And the wolf pack must have been going nuts. She and I laughed together. And I want to point that out because I've done another video on formality for the noobs. Check her out. She's got a mad pack.
Alpha Foxtrot 4, give me the rest.
Tango, Alpha Foxtrot 4 Tango.
Okay, very good. AF4T, you're 5 and 9, Trail County.
Foster 5 and 9, Tennessee.
Okay, thanks for the 5-9 Tennessee. Yours is.
Juliet 9, Bravo.
All right, I have Alpha Juliet 9. What's the rest?
It's a Kilowatt Juliet 9, Bravo.
Bravo, okay. I'm sorry, I had it written down right, but I said it wrong. Kilowatt Juliet 9, Bravo, 5-9 Trail County.
Thanks for the second bed. You're 5-9 Indiana, November.
You betcha. Thanks so much for Indiana the first time and the second time. WA0CSL, yours in.
Kilo Bravo 8, Delta X-ray.
I got Kilo Bravo 8. What's the rest?
Kilo Bravo 8, Delta X-ray.
Delta X-ray. Okay. 5-9 Trail County, North Dakota.
QSL, please copy 5-9 West Virginia, Whiskey Victor.
Okay, got the Whiskey Victor. Thank you. Have fun. WA0CSL, yours in.
Kilo 3, Oscar November.
Sierra Kilo, the Sierra Kilo station come.
Kilo Charlie 1, India Sierra Kilo, Connecticut.
Okay, I got you. Kilo Charlie 1, India Sierra Kilo, 5-9 Trail County. I have your Connecticut, 5-9 Connecticut, QSL.
Yeah, 5-9, great. Good luck in South Dakota.
Okay, very good. Thanks for the call. WA0 Charlie Sugar Lima contest.
Whiskey Bravo 3, Oscar November.
Okay, I have Whiskey Bravo 0, Victor something Kilo. What's the rest?
Victor Zulu Kilo. Victor Zulu Kilo. You're 5-9 Iowa. IA, over.
Okay.
Whoa. Whoa. I think.
WB0 DZK 5-9 Trail County.
QSL 5-9 Iowa, IA 7-3.
QSL, thank you very much. WA0 CSL, yours in.
Delta.
Sierra X-ray Charlie, what's the prefix? Okay, KJ7 SXC 5-9.
And if there's any moral to this story, you don't have to be a stodgy old Bart. You can have fun, man. I gave her a much needed break from the grind, and she said so. She mentioned just, briefly that she's basically ready to relax after a whole day of this madness. For 1 minute, she got to sit back and laugh and unload and clear her brain of the mash. And some of these guys are in it to win it, man. They've got monster signals. And you know what I have to say about all that, man? Ham radio is such a grin. And I apologize. You've been on a 0.2 degree angle the whole time. I've gotten to the point where I can tell you within a... I love ham radio. This has been so much fun today, especially with the Delaware POTA activation celebration. What a grin, man. What a grin. got to work. My friend Fred from Delaware got to work maybe 5 other stations, but I got to work some of them repeatedly because they were traveling from POTA entity to POTA entity, which is a lot of fun. Today was a complete grin. And I don't know what to call this video, man. POTA babble. Anti-formality. F the man. F the man. That should be the motto of a whole generation of baby boomers. I don't know, man. If anything, we F the man our whole life, and I'm still doing it today every chance I can. Believe me, I am. 73. And be well.